Hello everyone. Happy Friday. Sorry for being late. I got the coffee machine was not working. I had to try to figure it out. I had to take out the garbage and I had to vacuum because the coffee machine made a mess. But now I'm here. Okay, we're like 10 minutes late on the dot. Okay, let's do this. We got 5 minutes till I'm green lighted to trade, so we're gonna quickly go over the charts and get to it. So let's start. Gonna open this. I'm gonna grab this too. Okay, now this offers on every single of my screen. What would be nice to see is that if I press one, it disappears on all. Let's see, it does. That's what I asked for, and it did it. I'm proud. Okay, so we got that done. So yeah, we're looking at the 1 day and 1 week. We can see the continuation of the sell-off is very happening very appropriately. Um, And this happened because yesterday a bank, I don't know the details to the fullest, but it's basically a bank sold on the opening, and some people were saying it's because it's a long weekend, but some people are saying it's because no one has money now. So we're not sure, but that's what's happening there. Okay, wait, what's this now? Okay, sorry guys. Okay, hope my audio is okay. Okay. So yeah, we're already pushing lower. Nice continuation already. We may test this area. It could push down to here. This looks good too. So let's look at the 1 hour and 4 hour. Okay, we gotta hurry up. Can't be taking long on that because we're a bit late. But I should not rush too because that makes mindset rushy. But even though with all the things happening, which made me late, it's important to not allow it to make you feel like you need to rush, and that's really important. Okay, so this is not needed. So basically just consolidation with a slow grind down and sellers are stepping in on the opening. Doesn't mean exactly that we're gonna go down, but continuation can happen. We had CPI got released. Let's look at the numbers for that. CPI came in under expected. Okay. Okay. That's not bad. Um so yeah, we're just consolidating around here. It'd be interesting to see if buyers step in, if we just consolidate, or if we push down. But we need to be careful, aligned, and disciplined. So now let's get to the 15-minute, 30-minute. I mean, I'm not really gonna spend much time here. It's just really the same thing on the 1 hour. Structure wise, yeah, we made a new low on the market open, but yeah. Okay, let's get to the 1 minute and 5 minute. Okay, let's log in. Yeah, so buyers are already stepping in. Let's zoom back to see if we can find any valley areas. Yes, we do. We find one right here, which we are actively trading. Okay, green lighted the trade. Okay, let's get this chart ready. So yeah, we can just see buyers just stop the selling right there around here, which I can't really understand technically why. Okay, there was the 100 EMA on the 1 day, which we front run. The buyers fully stepping in, bringing it right back to the highs. Okay. Changed my camera. Like it's the same camera, just like I changed. It's a circle now. It just looks cooler. Looks more nice. I'm gonna play some background music for us, but with my earphones in because if I don't, it's gonna not be as good as it can be. First, to test if audio still works properly. Hello, hello. Okay. Didn't have to go here. So we're having a little bit of a continuation right now. This is Valley is right here. Let's see, buyer stepping. Gonna be a stomp out. Good idea, but it just front runned it so like little bit. That's like it keep. This is the type of price action we keep getting though. This is like my ability to not adapt to that. Yeah, I knew we were gonna front run it. That's why I didn't target it. So I did the right thing, but it really ran up like just 3 points from my exit. Mm-hmm. Kind of feel just unlucky because if I got in a little bit earlier, it would have been fine. I got in here, 3 points away. Could have moved to break even, but it was just like moving that I wanted to give it some room. And now that kind of feels dumb in hindsight. Okay, my chart is not. Anyways, that kind of sucks. Okay. Let's just go. I mean, it's a loss. It's a loss. Look at that. Look at seller stepping in. But I like that I knew that it was gonna front run it, so that's why I did that. But like, yikes, 3 points. If I got I don't know. I think honestly, if I got in earlier, but I wanted to, like, be a little bit careful. At the end of the day, like, if it's gonna break out, it's gonna break out. Yeah. Yikes. No, these trades are gonna happen. It's just I could have moved to break even, but I just wanted to give it room. At least I didn't move, like, give it more risk, but definitely, like, I basically kept my stop here, right? So I removed 5 points of risk. Oh, look at that sell off. But yeah, that's rough. Okay, it is what it is. At the end of the day, it is what it is. It is what it is. So yeah, we were very close. I mean, okay, it's a good loss. Like, being off by 3 points from your okay. I'm being hard on myself. That was a good loss. I'm just being salty just because, I that was so close from closing the week on a 1 hour at least, but we're gonna close on a negative 2 hour. That's okay. That's okay. Let's just get moving and accept this and move on, because that's all we can do right now. Okay, let's get out of here. At the end of the day, the trade was valid. It ran up 17 points. Sorry, yeah, 17 points, and I was close to getting out. If I got in a bit earlier, it would have been fine, but that's a hindsight bias. And I could have. I mean, from a risk standpoint, I could have moved to break even, but the way it was moving, just like I wanted to give it a little bit of room. But that's just how trading works sometimes, and I just have to accept that. So let's go. Okay, so let's take a look at the loss. Okay. I'm gonna say it's gonna be $1,000. Even though it's 5 points, it should be less, but that's how the market is. 1,200. 1,200. That's insane for 5 points. I reduced my. It should be 750. It's definitely slipped too. Yeah. Because it's this is why it's like, okay, it ran up. Okay, it was a good edge. It ran up. Unfortunately, just I was away from 3 points from my exit. That happens. Okay. I knew it was gonna front run it, so that was right. By the end of the day, the exit is not defined, right? Because it's gonna front run it. You don't know where it's gonna front run. So that's something I could keep aware of too. Yeah, I could front run it. And what else is there? Yeah, I could have front run it. This exact week is very similar to one of my weeks where I took 3 losses in a row, 120-point trade, and then a Friday loss. But yeah, I mean, okay, the trade was valid. I'm not disappointed about the trade. It ran up It ran up. It's just unlucky with the exit. It's a good trade. Would I take it again? Yeah. Should I be upset then? No. I think I'm okay. Just it's just a loss. Like, it should be 750, like max 900. But this doesn't work anymore. Okay, there we go. Exactly 1,200. Yeah, I don't know. Anyways, think about it. If it was a full stop loss with slippage, that's 1,800. That's a $600 difference. I'll take it. I'll take that. It's not bad. And at the end of the day, my losses are a little bit smaller than my winners if I keep managing risk like this. So, okay, it is what it is. That's gonna happen. I mean, I was not like, look, you see these wicks? I mean, this is happening so often too. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, at the end of the day, I knew it was gonna front run it, so I did. That was good, but yeah, I don't know if I got in earlier, maybe. Yeah, could have maybe got in earlier. I think this is just a lesson for the future. If you're gonna front run Valley area, because if we were bullish, then I would understand. Yeah, we would play Valley area to the dot, to the tick. But since we have been bearish, we're gonna front run it. And that's exactly what happened today. So maybe an earlier entry to front run it would have been the right call. Okay, I'll take that as a lesson. So that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed. That was a quick Friday. I mean, pretty average actually. But thanks for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed the stream, and we just continue to get better. This is why I love trading, because you have to refine, you have to stay regulated, logical, calm, and patient with the process. And if you think about it, taking like this is not different from that from 1 week when I had my other account. I had three losses, and one 20-point winner, and then a 10-point loser. But this is like 5-point loser. But well, I mean, it's basically yes, it's a little bit of a difference. But yeah, that's good. I'm proud of the progress. Like, yes, it's the first week and it's not been the smoothest, but I'm surviving. I'm thriving. I'm only getting better. And if I'm gonna lose, I'm gonna lose with discipline, but I'm gonna just continue to execute properly. And shall, like, my discipline and my execution and my edge allow me to be profitable. And if it doesn't over like many months, then we're gonna have to relook things. But of course, things are looking good, and 1 week does not define the results. So it's okay. Yeah. Do I wish it ran up that extra 3 points? Of course. Is it gonna sting a bit? Yeah. But am I gonna let it decide how I'm gonna feel today? That's wrong. So let's just continue our a week, and then weekend, because the weekend is about to start. I gotta record. Okay, so I got all the scripting done for episode 2. All that's really left is recording, editing. I have a lot of like nice ideas to make it like high quality. But I'm ready. I told myself, like, I don't care, no matter what, I'm posting the video by the end of Sunday. Like either Sunday, or I'm thinking Saturday I could post it too, but it's Valentine's. I don't know if that's weird, but like that's just my own like opinion. So maybe I can post it on Saturday, it doesn't really matter. Or even today. Like, it's also possible I can post it today. It depends on how fast I can get through the recording. Um yeah, and it's gonna be a longer video, supposedly, depending on how smoothly I can get through the topics, but maybe longer. But it should be a really jam-packed video. This should really help a lot of people. That's what I'm happy about. So I'm excited for everyone to see it, and take care and have a